you based on how, you know, we've heard people speak about the place here. I think, boy, the food is good. The food is less than good, to be frank. You know, everything lacked taste. I could not even an ounce of season. I wonder which white woman on a back of cook. I'm so sorry, I don't mean to be like that, but it's true. I could not taste anything there. And you know what I mean, when I went on the inside, in terms of some of the protocols, you know what I mean, there were a few breaches because there were no, well, none of the hand
sanitizer things weren't working, so they had the automatic dispensers. The one outside, when we got there was probably 2 people seated, 2 tables, not 2 people.
2 tables.
And there was no employees outside or anything. So we got there, put my hand under the sanitizer dispenser, nothing. So opened the door, went inside, put my head inside to look to see something else. Saw the other one, put my hand under it, still nothing. So by that time now somebody came out. And even though she see me there do that, she didn't say anything until I asked her. I said, the sanitizer machine not working? And she said no, and she didn't give me an option to spray my hand with anything. Then just ask me if I want diner, if I want to sit inside or outside.
And even them masks below them nose, me I say that don't make no sense. It's like them never have had no mask in them. I say, boy, what a big old breach. If COVID decide to drop another place then, a problem. I hope them change. Because there was nothing there to protect ourselves. We have to be a while ago and sanitize.
Yes, when we came into the car.
We didn't have it.
But actually, there was so much sanitizer on my hand. I have to hold my hand in front of the vent to get rid of some of it. And the tables weren't spaced any at all.
Yeah,
they were like right. My chair was right behind somebody's chair, and the same thing for him.
No, but apart from
and they weren't even trying to stagger the tables. Them just make you sit down anywhere else, sit down.
I never like that. It wasn't. I never feel safe. But apart from that, I can understand how everything them out of. You go there, you want.
Yes, they were out of. They never have no chicken. The only chicken they had menu items on the menu, and the only thing they had was jerk chicken.
Yes, and
what else
they might have some wings, but
they had wings for the
appetizer.
Well,
yeah, because she did give one talk like she never have any.
Right, and we tell her to check, and so we get the wings.
Man, they may have no half hour minute, no conch.
No conch. And that they didn't tell us that up front. It's after time order. And then she came back and said, oh, they don't have any.
Yeah, because I say, if I know you have a particular, if I made an order and you're out of
them
whatever is
know that before them come round.
Yeah, and it's a platter. And if, for instance, if conch is out of season or it is now banned, them need to say, take it off of the menu.
Yeah. Or if they don't take it off, they should have known this before bringing the menu. Towards the point it out and say,
yeah,
we don't have this, but you can have this instead.
That's crazy.
What else? They also didn't have no bami.
Yeah, no bami.
They never have, and we heard them telling other patrons that they didn't have stuff. So it's like, I don't know, they
wonder what them have.
Yeah, and it's a. When we called to reserve the table, you know, the lady said to me, they don't do reservations because of the day that I chose to come. It's their busy days. So them never prepared for them busy days at all. So give it light. The bathroom now was another situation. Never clean. In the female restroom, one of them was out of order, and the other one, when I went in there, the floor was wet and sandy. Is public bathroom for the whole complex, or was it theirs?
I have no idea. But even if
it was on their side,
you have dining there, you have to make sure so them thing
that have the restroom clean.
Yeah,
regularly.
And it's upstairs,
especially now.
Yeah, upstairs. So what I mean is that for them two places, are two dining areas.
Because it's right behind their restaurant.
Yeah, so almost the two of them.
Yeah, because only them up there.
Yeah.
Never
ready at all. I don't know. When I went inside the male bathroom, it was not as bad as the female bathroom based on what you told me. But, well, one thing I saw, you see the old woman there? Saw her coming out of the male bathroom. Kind of made me ask some questions. I wonder if it's really a woman. went in the male bathroom to go mess it up. But anyway, I went in there and it was not as bad, but it wasn't. I didn't feel like I was in a very clean bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cause even the soap but dispenser with them out there, you know, some little place, pop down place on like a backwood, some you must can get some sensible man. You can make so much money and can't just buy one proper dispenser.
Yep.
That's crazy, man. You know what I mean? I have people, artists and other popular people, celebrities are promoting the place.
Them go Lobster Dave.
I mean, I said, okay, Lobster Dave, I could go there now. I was so disappointed. It made me feel wonder none of them people know when things stay good. No, for real. Anyway, I'm not take over your story.
Yep, so what? How much star we giving Lobster Dave? Out of 5?
Out of 5? To be honest with you, I'm going to give them at least 2.
2, that's what
maybe
I was thinking.
2.5 the most, but I
give them more than
that's a 2. A 2 star.
It's, yeah.
Or 2 moon. And then reach star.
So there you have it, guys. We went to Lobster Dave and we were less than impressed. Nothing near impressed. Nothing. Might as well we go buy to a party.
I swear. But I feel more satisfied.
Probably.
But spend so much money for nonsense. It's just better we go buy some sardine and just bread.
And we both don't like sardine.
Alright.
And the sweet potato fries.
Yes.
I must see 7 strip of fries in the basket.
Count the potato them, man. Like me, I said, no, man. I've never seen this before. We are
I never order fries and get that amount of fries ever. Nowhere.
I don't think KFC give more fries with that. I tell you, you never ready.
Yeah.
Oh boy, it's just a sad state.
But we went and we didn't enjoy it, but we go enjoy the ride home, right?
Yes.
Yes.
We will.
At the end of the day, we never stop. So we went to have an experience. I'll have the experience and we'll come talk about it. We were hoping it wouldn't be this, but it is what it is. Everybody have different tastes. Some people might go there and say the food bad and whatever, but and what did you have? I had fried fish. What did you have?
I had well, initially I should have had the was some platter that should have had some fish fillet, shrimp, octopus, lobster and conch. However, I only had shrimp, octopus, fish, and the lobster. Right. So no conch.
Alright, so they gave him the option to have, because they didn't have the conch.
Yeah.
But them say you could get more
shrimp.
More shrimp or more.
Or more octopus, but no lobster.
Get more anything else.
Oh my God.
Yep. Alright guys, thank you so much for spending this time with me. And until next time,
Bye.
So guys, this was an impromptu review that we only decided to do while we were talking about our experience in the car. So I plan on doing more of these videos and we hope you like them, and for the future we're gonna make them more organized reviews.